How to password protect a zip file. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to password protect your zip files or any of the files using Windows 10 or 11. So if you're also we're using operating systems such as Windows 10 or 11 just like me, and let's say I have these two files or video file over here, and if I were to create a password for this file, first what I'll be needing is I'll require a third-party software that is one of the most essential softwares needed in Windows 10 11. So it's called WinRAR. So you can just head over to any of your browser and simply search it for WinRAR download and just tap on this first link over here to download, which is a powerful tool to extract any files or encode your file to the zip folder or zip files itself. So make sure you download it from over here for free. And once it's successfully downloaded and installed, as you can see, I've already downloaded and installed, so I'll not be re-downloading it. So once you do all of that, just select the files that you want to convert to zip to. So simply right click on that after selecting the file, and here you should see the option that is add to archive with WinRAR. And if you don't see, and if you are using Windows 11, you should see the option see more and open more settings, and you can just get to this setting that is add to archive using WinRAR. So just select it, and from over here you can just give anything, any name to your archive.rar file. So let me just give my name over here, which is a sample. As you can see, I've given a name it like a sample, and you can see there is an option that is to actually set it as a set password. So before we do that, you just have to do or change it to archive format to zip. So once you do that, now simply select the set password. So let me just quickly set my password as 123, and again I will have to re-enter my password and just click on OK, and just click on OK once again. As you can see, it has successfully converted my these two video files to a particular zip file, and I can just tap right click on it and simply open it with the WinRAR file. So simply tap on that, and it will ask you for your password like this, and you just have to enter your password and click on OK. And once you do all of that, you should be easily be able to view all of your video files or any other files which you have compressed as a zip. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.